This is Derma Architect by Artistry. The scientists worked over 7 years to come up with this. This is bringing dermatological treatment back home. I'm going to show you how I use the skin fitness mode. This is what the scientists call it, the skin fitness mode. And let's see how easy to use this. This is the cap because there are two main functions. This one is for the skin nutrition mode. You just do this way. It's very easy. And then to put the adapter for the skin fitness mode, you see there's this little part here. You just match it with this part. And then you attach it this way. And next, I'll show you how to turn on, but before using the skin fitness mode, must put the boosting gel about 4 cm for the full face. So I'm going to put 2 cm for half face. I'm going to show you half face. Okay, just spread on the neck as well. Okay, avoid the eye area, avoid this center part, avoid this part as well, right? So eye area and then the center part, avoid the temple also. Once you have the right adapter and you twist it anti-clockwise, the moment you twist it, it will turn on. Amazing. And with the right adapter, there's only one mode, which is skin fitness. Skin fitness is combining radio frequency, ultrasound, which is our therapy, and red LED together in one, because the scientists discover that there's synergy in combining all together. And now I'm going to turn it on. And usually for me, I start with the lowest intensity, so I'm going to reduce the intensity. You can always test it on your hand first. I start with lowest intensity, you see, and once you touch the play button, it will start. Each shot is on one spot for 6 seconds. So there's a chart that shows the different spot on the face. Let me show you. Okay, I'm going to start touching here. The red color is the red LED. 6 seconds. Next spot. Done. Third shot. You can actually hear it goes toot-toot. Remember here, don't do. Yeah, it also will show you already did 10 shots. Yeah, so you go spot by spot like this. So what it is doing is the RS is, as it passes through the skin, the old or damaged collagen will also clear off. And then the ultrasound therapy will help to boost the collagen growth. So scientists saw that there's a lot of goodness in combining the technology together. As the red LED, because as we are doing this, it's also causing certain level of inflammation, and red LED is very good at anti-inflammation, and red LED also help to boost the collagen production. Yeah. it also shows you how many shots has been done. So total is 50 shots for a face, and because at 6 seconds, you also don't need to do more. So it's about 5 minutes for a full face. I like it because it's very fast and it is getting the clinic result without paying the clinic price. Yeah, so it says here 20 shots already. So that's how you operate it. I'm only using level 1 intensity. 1 week, 2 times. Cannot do more than 2 times because you need to let the skin collagen also heal and repair and build back up. But every time after I did half side, I always find that one side is sharper and lifted. It's so amazing.